Today's a good day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Huh. This is for my Wall Street wolves out there. We are the Wall Street wolves of Wall Street. Safe Moon did go crazy. If you are on my Instagram, we talked about it. Return of the Mac. Oh, yes, so return of the Mac. You know you want to buy. Woo! Today's a buying day. Today's a market. Oh, yay. We're making money every way. Taking money every way. Make sure you hodl your stuff. Let's go. Let's get right into it. Let's talk about this now. Wall Street Pete, Sicto, and crypto. If you like that Sicto in that crypto that you are making, hit that like, subscribe, because you know we're going on a ride. You know we're going to the moon, and damn, do you know we're going soon? Bitcoin Cash is kicking ass and taking names. Dogecoin is getting its volume up. It's pumping. It's pump up the volume time. Let's pay attention to what we've been talking about. Anchor is doing something. I don't know. What's happening? Well, we're separating from the good coins to the shit coins. I guess you're not realizing. I guess everybody is really stuck in limbo. Pay attention. What did I do with my money? What did I do with my portfolio? I mean, I took a loss. I took an L. I'm hurting, right? What did we do? I couldn't break 4,000. If you paid attention to my portfolio, we broke $4,000, and we were doing good. Well, we found a coin that could break out. We found something that could make money. We have to pay attention. We had to go 100% in on this. This is something, trust me, I did not want to do. That's not something I wanted to do at all, but we're here. This is where we went, and now this is where you either lose more money and become a whale. I mean, become a little baby shark that's going to get killed by the whale, or you become the whale. So you got to basically decide here what you want to do. This is a stressful moment in the market. If you pay attention, this was something telling you crazy that was happening here. I was explaining to you we were expecting big moves. Obviously, Grayscale's announced they went in. I thought it was maybe the New York Giants. Nobody's announced that. They said there was an NFL team on the radio today. On the 660, the fan, Boomer Esiason and Jerry Greco. Well, buy the rumors, sell the news. That was the title of this. What am I talking about? Let's get right to it. Elon Musk, we got videos of him going on Saturday Night Live. Everyone was upset. Apparently there was a big joke revealing, right? Well, there's no longer a joke. Tesla, a joke. After an unrelenting year, Elon Musk is a tone-deaf choice to host Saturday Night Live. This is today's date, right? 7:04 in my time. This was about an hour ago, a little over a change. It's a 6-minute read. There's never been a better time to be the CEO in America. Isn't that kind of funny? That's how the world's starting to look at him. It is crazy. He's going on Saturday Night Live. Guess what? We're buying the news. Let's find out just how live Saturday Night Live really is. This is crazy because guess what? The price is going through the moon now, and everyone's thinking in their mind, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to wait, I guess. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here and wait, right? And I'm going to wait for Elon to talk. Hello? It's in 3 days. Could you imagine how much FOMOing is going to happen in the next three days as we are getting an inverted head and shoulders pattern? Possibly. If we don't continue to moon, we will not get that upward W, and we will start to get this lookalike. What will happen? Well, I already told you what would happen. We talked about it earlier. I want to do some Dogecoin because this is the main highlight. What is happening here is we're forming some type of an M as we can go here and then form. That's not what we want. That's not what should be happening. But what did I tell you earlier today? We had to fix our Fibonacci sequence. So we're going to fix it right now. Okay, this is the Fibonacci sequence. Please hit that like, subscribe. Please hit the like, most of all. Let's get that algorithm going through the roof as we are hitting subscriber numbers that I never thought would happen. I did this to help people. I started this channel. I'm not kidding. I started this channel because I wanted to help people. I used to work on Wall Street. As we started knowing, I should have 18 likes if there's 18 watchers, right? And then you go on to here, and then you click on the Wall Street Pete, and then you click on here, and then you go, and it's 915. 85 more, and we hit 1,000 subscribers. subscribers. I'm overwhelmed. We're making sick dough in crypto. I get it. Please share this to everyone. Let's keep going. We're going to hit the 1,000. I know that. And we're going to go further. We're going to have the crazy things in this show, this podcast, that's going to do some wild things. JF said, my wife says if Anchor doesn't blow up, I can't watch your videos anymore. That's hilarious. What's up, Pete? Let's make that money. Tell your wife that's very unfortunate because there's going to be a lot of people, JF, that are going to start watching more and more. And what's going to happen is she's going to be upset when you didn't get Safe Moon or you didn't listen to the next move. I highly doubt that that's going to be true that happens. I'm sorry if that – I don't mess around with a woman. When a woman says something, she means it. So I'm not fooling around. So we're up 24%. Safe Moon looks pretty good, right? That's one of the ones we talked about. I'm hodling it. I'm holding it. Maybe when it gets to somewhere up here in this price, we get a couple of zeros to turn into a 1 here. I will be out of some money. Yes, I'm not silly. I'm not stupid. And then I'll buy some more. That's what we do here. We dollar cost average in and out. It's called DCA. And if you didn't learn with me the DCA, yeah, you know what we're talking about. It's the dollar cost average in and out. When can you make it big? When I probably get like 10,000 subscribers, that's probably when it'll start getting big. Like if that's what you're talking about. We talk about one on my channel. We talk about a positive attitude. We talk about, can you shout out my girlfriend Rose? Bilal Burr, I'm really bad at that. Your girlfriend Rose has got a man that is in the cryptocurrency market, and he is going to make some sick dough in crypto. And when he's chilling on the islands and he's dollar costing, averaging it out, Rose, he'll have carat gold roses for you. Want to make a bet? I bet you he does that now. He's not a silly man. He's in crypto. He must be smart. Let's go. Let's go into the charts. Let's talk about this dreamy bull crap, right? Let's talk about some real things. Anchor went to 16.5. I don't know what to tell you. Anchor is doing something I showed here. Ooh. I did this a week ago. JF. Hold up. Hey, pay attention because it's wanting me to get into Anchor now. Hold up. I'm not joking around. I did this a long time ago. I did this not a long time ago, 5 days ago. Go back to 5 days ago on my video and watch me make this. I obviously didn't trace this exactly because if I traced it exactly on Anchor, I would have done this, right? And I would have made myself look like a boss and I would have been like, yeah, I did that. No, I didn't do that. I'm trying to explain to you that this action I was telling you was happening was high volatile waves. And then I think we were right here. So maybe it was the third I did this. And then I said, get ready for this type action. I'm not kidding. This is real. This stuff is real. You're going to find out. We're going to hit up here. I told you 19 cents. You'll be able to sell it out. Well, I might be able to buy back in, make a couple bucks to sell out. What do we talk about on this channel? Well, we talk a lot about Ethereum. Look at this sideways action. I told you. Oh, my gosh. Look at another one. It's another one. Look at this. Didn't I say we would get this bouncy sideways action on this bar, on the support? You go back to that video too. And then I said it'll break out eventually because the volume will get sideways boring action. And what will happen is the money will funnel in and you'll get that. Imagine 4,420. Imagine 4,200 Ethereum. Yes, it's coming. Get ready. This summer, coming to a theater near you. Wall Street Pete said, have a seat. He said there will be 420. 00 after with it. 4200, 4215, it doesn't really matter. Yes, hold Anchor. I didn't want to. I'll go back into Anchor. I promise you I'll funnel. What did I say I did today? Well, I bought XLM today. There was a video earlier. There was Instagram telling you I bought it at 59 cents. I said, here we go. We need to break out at the 60. Well, enjoy. Congratulations to anyone who got this. I understand this wasn't a coin we went over right now, but congratulations. I know there's people who went over it. Cardano was another one. I said, give it time. Due in time, we'll coil up and we'll bounce and get the ticker bounce and go there. Well, XLM did it. If you didn't notice, I guess there was something going here. Go to the forwardly on the XLM, and then you see it. Now you see the W action, and then there it is. There's the finish. Finish him. If anybody's watched Mortal Kombat, that was amazing. Well, it's doing amazing stuff. Enjoy. XLM's going to be a nice ride. What will I do? Well, I'm going to sell out my XLM right here. Yes, this is probably about where I sell out. Honestly, it's going to come down now. So if you have any, you should have sold out earlier. If not, hold up for a minute. Hold on. This is the forwardly. I'm sorry. I apologize. Hold on. Check this because I think we can go higher. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. See how you do technical analysis screw up? So this is why I do this, though. I always put this here so you'll pay attention. This is where we'll peak out at. That's very good. Where are we? Oh, okay, here it is. Look, look, look. So we went above. So we went above the 64, and it immediately hit something. Okay, beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm going too fast. Sometimes you go too fast and you'll make a mistake, so you have to really be careful. This is why the indicators come out. This is why you look at the volume. This is why you hit refresh. You have indicators. You have the volume. You go back and forth. You go crazy. 71% is buying. I'm not really into that. How many am I up here? I am up 11.1 billion over the market cap. My volume is 11.1 billion. That is bullish to me. I don't care what anybody says. Yes, be careful because look what's happening. On my 24-hour chart, it's showing. But look what happened on the weekly. On the weekly, we are doing something crazy. Pay attention. It was an M, right? We got a downward M. There it is. And now watch. We're going to do something here that's going to be significant. What's going down? We're buying the dip. When you see that the Peter Griffin fall, there'll be an uprise from there. You'll be in the upward trend. We're just fooling around on there. Imagine now we pay attention to what's happening here. Up. Buy the news, right? No. That's what people are doing. They're waiting for the news to come out for Elon Musk, right? Isn't that what you're doing? Isn't everybody doing that right now? Honestly, can you be honest with me? Take the body, take the trend line of DOGECOIN, right? What's DOGECOIN? Well, May 3rd. That wasn't a long time ago. What's today? Today's the 5th. That was only 2 days ago. There was a lot of oh my God, I can't even say it. High volatility. Jesus, there we go. It was like a tongue twister of all tongue twisters. Pay attention to this. This is important. Look what we're doing. We're fixing our trend lines. So now we're at the low end of our trend line. That's how I feel. That's how I feel. DOGECOIN is at a low point where you should be able to buy right here. It should be able to coil up. It should be able to go up. And we should be able to see this price again coming up here at the 68 cents. Why? Because I said so. I have a crystal ball, as Alex said. I laugh my ass off because it's so true, but people make you feel good. OG Alex, there he is speaking of him. I was just speaking of him, and there he is. It's like, I'm telling you, it's crazy. I did not look down, Alex, and know you were here. That's funny. It really is. Life is funny. It's how it works. We got a little girl's hair. I love Derek Rose. Speaking of Derek Rose, did you see that? That was cool, right? Here's my girlfriend. Here's your girlfriend. I had some person tell me this, and this was funny as hell. Do you think it's reversing? We were talking. I said, damn. He said, Pete, it's about, I feel like you have a crystal ball you rub. It's ridiculous, man. I appreciate the love. Pay attention if you don't have pie. This is really important. Get the PD guns. It's the sensitive, case sensitive, capital P right here, capital G. Pay attention. It's really important. It's a capital P, capital G, PD guns. You put the invitational code. Now there's a Pi Nodes update. You can transfer it over to your computer. Download on your computer from Node, minepi.com. I'm telling you can't make this shit up. I've been in this since January. Imagine how much pie I'm mining. I have more pie than your sister's ass on a cherry pie. Water, it's good for you. Guess you should drink it. I'm sorry, I drink a lot of water. I'm an animal. So hit that like, subscribe. I'm telling you, get some pie. PD Guns for sure. Hit the to capital P, capital G. You can download it on your smartphone. Everyone's doing it. When it hits 10 million users, I have a lot of people on here. They're mining, and every time you hit this, you're mining a certain amount of pie. It's like, imagine being able to mine Ethereum and Bitcoin before Ethereum and Bitcoin came out. It's ridiculous. ETC is correcting. Ouch. It's been doing it all day. Pay attention. ETC's been doing it all day. It's been doing it all day. All day. Right? 24 hours? All day. All week? No. No. Okay? So just hold it for a week. Hold it for a week. You understand what I'm saying? You guys have been holding this stuff for about 24 hours. You're watching it go through the roof, and then your butt cheeks are getting tight. And then you're... oh, my God, my emotions. You're not doing technical analysis. It's all emotions. Everyone is on emotions. It's crazy. Calm down, Fry. Come over there and bitch slap somebody. It's like, hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. But when we start getting to the moon, get scared and sell and go, oh, my God. Like, that's what everyone's doing. It's crazy. You're watching your money go to $2,000 in profit. 2,000, 1,500, 500, and you forget you're still up 1,000, 1,200. Relax. Brendan Webb's, what's up? Aubrey, what's up? How low will ETC go to anyone? Okay, so, well, this is the problem. How do you do technical analysis when you have a different friggin' price for each one? So you already did this, right? We did Coinbase. When I type this in for ETC, how am I supposed to give you a technical analysis on 3 different prices here? Here's Coinbase, right? What about KuCoin? You want to do KuCoin? Let's do KuCoin's price for Ethereum. Watch this. You want to laugh? You really got to be careful what you're paying attention to here. I'm not kidding. This is not a joke. Like, this is really scaring me. I'm kind of concerned because the people are going to get hurt here. Look at this. Where was it? Oh, man. So ETC, it's the KuCoin. Somehow the money's funneling so damn fast. The platform of Coinbase, see it? The money's funneling in so damn fast that the freaking prices are different. So if you actually sell out at that price, you actually made out at that price. So when it's $100 more on Coinbase, Luke, I don't know if you're watching, Luke. When it's what's up, Antonio? When it's $100 more on Coinbase and it's $30 less on a different one, believe it or not, they sold out $30 more because they can. It's insane because the platform is getting funneled in FOMO that much that they can't help themselves. Look at this one. Look at this one. Here you go. For example, I just did it. For example, watch, I'm going to blow your mind on this one. This is real. Nobody's lagging. See, this morning we thought they were lagging. Wall Street Pete talking us all the way. Yes, hell, we're all going there. Watch this. 2 ETCs. You see it? ETC and Tether and USD and another one. There's $7 different price. Do you see the $7 different price? I feel like we're looking at totally 2 different friggin' things. It's the same damn thing. What's happening is the money is flowing in so damn fast that these platforms can't have the same price no more. I've never seen any of this shit in my life, okay? Red flags everywhere. Everywhere. I'm losing my shit. Hello, come save me. I'm drowning, lifeguard. No, we're not drowning. Okay, let me go get my hat back. Where'd my hat go? Yo, I'm crazy. My hat's gone. Where'd it go? I don't even know where my hat went. All right. I'm losing it because you know why I'm losing it? Because these are red flags. When you have, listen to me, this isn't allowed to happen. I'll do another one. I'm not kidding. Watch this. This isn't supposed to happen, everyone. Binance. Here you go. Here's another one, Binance. I'm going to grab the Binance platform. Look at this. Another different price. Do you understand this is not supposed to happen? What it's meaning is the world is FOMOing in on Ethereum Classic. You're not supposed to have 3 prices, okay? So if you could take your balls and you could take your woman testicles, because we are not sexist here. We're not racist. We're not biased. We are legit mother effers in here. We are the Sicto Crypto Wolf of Wall Street. I'm not the Wolf of Wall Street. We are. Hit that like, subscribe, because the Wolf of Wall Street is going to eat this up for breakfast. And when I tell you to put your stops in, you better put your stops in or I'm going to get pissed off at you. Listen to me right now. All right, I'm going over my phone right now. I'm going to tell you what my stop price is. Nobody does this shit for anyone. I'm definitely going to do this. I know Chris Crypto does. I love that guy. I don't watch his channel. I promise you'll never see me talk about the same shit as him. If we're talking about the same stuff, it's because it's 2 experts, and I'm actually putting myself in an expert form with him. Because you know why? Because I'm getting really good at this stuff, so good that I've been making money, and I've been making nothing into something, and it's blowing my mind, okay? I've seen this happen in the stock market, but I've never seen this happen in crypto. Sicto in crypto. So here we go. I have a stop out. You want to see all my stops? This is insane. I don't know if you can see this. I don't think this is going to be legit to do. When I get 1,000 subscribers, maybe, not maybe, we'll be able to. I have a lot of stops here. See the red? That's my stop. I'm selling for winners. You set your sells out. I'm going to read them off, and you're just going to trust me that I'm telling you the truth. Okay? All right, so this is Ethereum Classic. My Ethereum Classic, I'm selling 9 shares of Ethereum Classic. Listen, this is Wall Street Pete's profile. That's it. This is my portfolio. It says 8.99. I rounded off. ETC, I'm just dollar cost averaging out. Listen, I have 70 ETC. I'm dollar cost averaging out. You have to listen. This is so important. $8.99, and I have it at, and I can show it to you so it can match. The price of $1, $125. That doesn't seem like a lot from what we've seen, but guess what? I'm getting out at that. Okay? George, Big Dog, as I promised you, you got blown up. And Instagram, you're about to get YouTube to 1,000. Check the page. Oh, I love everyone. Yo, don't make a big man get upset or like emotional. I don't trade with emotion. I don't do YouTube with emotion. Cut it out. I'm not reading no more. I'm just blocking you guys. I can't talk to you. I'm busy working right now. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. This is real story stuff. I can't watch you guys. I'm blocking your comments because you're gonna make me get emotional here. I was nobody. I almost jumped off a bridge if you didn't know who I was. I went through hard times like everyone else did. Wall Street Pete was human, you know. All right, 125. So I can't listen to you no more. I'm sorry. I'm not doing it. So here we go. I'm not getting emotional, right? I'm not working emotionally. That's what I'm doing. I'm selling out at that price. What are we talking about? We're talking about Wall Street Pete's portfolio. This is what he's doing. He is not taking losses. Do you understand me? I'm not taking a loss. Is it weird that the price is somewhere here where we matched the last one? Yes. This is how Wall Street Pete works. Look, when we come back up to this price, we're going to hit resistance. I'm telling you a secret. 117, but the FOMO is real. So what's going to happen is the money on here on ETC is going to go up, and then we're going to probably get a bounce back. I know the crystal ball's coming. Listen to me. So this is what I'm doing. I'm waiting. If this doesn't happen for a week, it doesn't happen. Okay? Get soft. Kiss my ass. Anyways, all right. I have another one. 13.45. Listen to me. This is so important. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to go play hopscotch. I'm going to go play with my daughter. I'm just telling you, like my daughter plays hopscotch. But I'm going to teach her. I'm excited. I'm happy as hell right now. This is the amount at the price. I can't believe I'm breaking this down for everyone. If I did have 1,000 subscribers, we can go over my phone like this, like everyone else does that has over 1,000. We could do this, but I only started this channel a couple months ago, so I can't do this right now. This is at the price, $145. That's what Wall Street Pete's doing. I'm just explaining to you, this is real shit. This is not a lie. I'm not making this up to pump coins. I'm doing this to let you know that I'm a real person. I'm trying to make money just like you, and these are my plans. And I'm not getting out until they do this. I don't care if I turn it till 62. That's not happening. Listen to me. It's not happening. This is about it. This is about as close as I'm going to get. I'm not going to sit here for 20 minutes trying to get these numbers up, caught to it. You see what I'm doing, all right? You see what I'm doing? There it is, finally. So what do? We'll match it up with this. So we sell out that there. Try not to get in the way. This is ETC, okay? So I'm done there. That's it. I'm not dollar cost averaging out no more. This way, if it goes up even higher, I'm going nuts. Yeah, no, I told you to buy XLM today. I hope you watched my video on it. If you didn't, and I had it into the list, I added it on there now. For now on, I add the coins. It was a multiple coin. There was 5 of them, I believe, or 6. Excuse me, I get the hiccups from drinking so much water. There we go. So now Harmony 1. This is my other move, Harmony 1. You might want to pay attention to this one because this one's pissing me off. I'm ready to kill someone. I'm just telling you, I'm real. I'm as real as steel. I have emotions too, everybody. It's kind of weird that these everything I make here is happening kind of the way I do it. I might have a crystal ball. You know what? Let me go see where it is. I don't have one. I was lying. But when people tell me shit like you're the legend, you're the GOAT, I start believing. I started believing I have a crystal ball somewhere. What the hell is going on? The display confuses me. It's called high volatility. That's what that's called. It's called we're going to the effing moon. You don't know what this is? I hate to tell you, but if you look at this, this is called I'm fucking gone. I'm not kidding. I don't need to look at market cap. I don't need to look at none of that shit. I'm going to the moon, and I'm not letting the 12-8 scare me out. I'm not letting these fucking whales do this shit to me no more. I did, bro. I threw my swing bag and watching it go up. I'm so proud of you then. I'm not kidding. This is how it works. Listen to me. I'm selling out dollar cost averaging. I'm giving you the sneak tips. I just gave you the ETC one, right? We went over the ETC. I hope you wrote it down because it was real. This is real. If you're just coming in now, that's where I'm selling out. That's where I'm selling out. It's only some. I have over 70 ETC. That's not a lot. Trust me. I know people probably have more that are watching this. Okay. Harmony, I have a 40,000 Harmony. I don't know if that's a lot to you. I have 40,000 Harmony. To me, that's a decent amount. My 40,000 is at 13.1, 13 cents one, 12.9. I bought some at 10 cents. I bought some at 11. I've been buying like a nut job every time it goes down. My thoughts on Matic, Marcos? I stayed out of it for a little bit. I wanted to see what it was going to do because it was going up to 84 cents and it came down, and I did exactly what I needed to do. I made the smart move. If you notice, this is still trying to recuperate. Everyone's taking their money out. They have no belief. They're hearing ETC go up. This all the shit coins. You're starting to find who's the shit coins, right? I'm sorry I'm cursing, but this is what it is. You're finding out what's a shit coin. Is XLM? Nope. Is Anchor? We're starting to wonder. I'm just telling you, this is what Wall Street Pete thinks. I used to think this was a shit coin. Isn't that amazing how life changes? Another sheet coin. I'm trying not to curse. Link? No. Chainlink is amazing. Atari? Nope. I said don't be Atari. Don't be a Retari and get it. If you're trading on Robinhood, you're a knucklehead. You're a knucklehead. Stop trading on Robinhood. Robinhood is the queen of thieves. Stop trading on Robinhood. You're going to need to get out and you're going to be pissed. Basic attention token. I know I spoke about it, basic attention token. I'm sorry if I didn't tell you all, but I did. I might not have said it to you, but it's gone. It is what it is. We can't FOMO into these green candles. I did say that was coming. Now look, what were we seeing? We might have been seeing something similar to a cup and handle formation. Do you not see it here? Because I do. This is where a cup and I can't talk. This was a cup and handle formation forming for a later kaboom. If you've noticed, we've kept that line across. Does anybody ever want to know what that is? Then I'm sorry. This is a cup and handle. This is a cup and handle pattern. Is what it is it's crazy because this is the exact thing it just did. So close your eyes. Right? Real quick. Seriously, everybody, look at this, right? Pay attention to the steam, right? You're waking up in the morning. It's a coffee. I have coffee 2 cups every day. I look like I did Coke. I get it. I can't stop. I can't shut up. I'm a maniac. I've worked on Wall Street. That's why. Anybody who's new that just subscribed, here's this handsome young man that used to work on Wall Street. There he is. He worked on the Mercantile Exchange in New York. This is actually guaranteed postage forever. It's kind of crazy. I didn't know that, but it's guaranteed postage forever. I've had it for friggin' how many years? Who the hell knows, right? But I hold it. It's pride. It's my credentials now. I never knew it would be credentials, right? Who the hell would have thought of that? There's the cup and handle. Now, what was I talking about? Well, we were talking about the cup and handle we just saw on one. As soon as I get back to it, holy cow, there's so much here. We were talking about this. I'm sorry, basic attention token. We're going to be talking about Harmony 2. We go through everything. That was it. You see the 2 cups? Do you see the 2 cups here? I want you to see it because if not, I'm going to go right back to it. This is it right here. Follow this line. One, another cup, down, and then gone. And now it's gone, right? So look, that's exactly what I just said what it was. Cup, there it is. Look, down, up, down, gone. And that's just how it is. It's a bullish pattern. You learned this on my channel. We talk about it, so it's not the first time we did this. So I know that doesn't surprise you. We have Instagram. Go to Instagram. We pay attention to this. I Instagram 100 posts a day. I feel like people probably get tired of it. Have you heard the new Filecoin news of NFT storage? Have you heard of the video that Wall Street Pete talked about when he talked about it? No, I'm not trying to be a dick, but as a YouTuber gets annoyed a little bit sometimes but this is my problem. I have a million videos out, so I can't even get mad at you, Antonio. I'm not going to get mad at you. But when you type in the Wall Street Pete, I don't know if you type in Filecoin and it comes up. Let's see. Let's do it. I'm doing it with you right now. I'm learning with you. I've never done YouTube. I just started you. There it is. XLM and Filecoin news. You won't want to miss. Antonio. Stop watching Antonio Brown and the Steelers because he's messing with your brain, yo. I talked about it already. That was 47 views only. Shame on all of you. And that was 9 hours ago. And it's only 47 views. It's not big news. So Antonio, nobody cares. Only 47 people watch. So don't worry, bro. You're not doing nothing wrong, brother. You're not only 47 people. I have 919 subscribers, and 47 people watched the video about what happened to XLM today in Filecoin, and they have no clue why I'm saying to buy it and go up. These are the people who just, they listen to me and they buy. Next time I'm going to trick them. No, I don't do tricks. But next time, I imagine somebody tricked them and said, hey, buy one, Harmony 1. No, I don't want to hear my bad. I was joshing you. I was fooling around with you. It's not your fault, Antonio. Please don't do that. I was busting your balls. I have thick skin, so when you break my balls later, I deserved it, okay? That's all it is. Pay attention to this right here. We got a small little fraction of an M. Yes, it went down. What did we get here? We got a W, and it's a little bit of a rejection type. What's going to happen here? This is DOGECOIN. I expect 68 cents to come out. What were we talking about? We didn't even get there yet. So DOGECOIN, I'm selling out I'm going to sell out about 69.5 cents. That's what I'm looking to do. So if you want to do this, you can do this as well. I remove everything. Like I said, there's people who spend hours and hours and hours doing these charts, and it's a shame that they spend that much time. We're only going to do an hour video tonight on this, and then I have important business to take care of. So listen, this is right here showing, I want you to understand technical analysis really quick without looking at indicators. When we get better and everyone understands, we'll whip out. We have the direct movement index chart. We always do that. This is TradingView for anyone who's new. Get TradingView on your PC and get it on your. You got to watch my old videos, and I talk about this all day. First trade we lose, I'm out. I almost pissed myself. Do you know that? I have to pee so bad. And you thank God I'm wearing my grandfather's Depends right now. Me and my grandfather really close. You're lucky. You're really lucky with that. So me and my good friend Vinny, I'm not kidding, my cousin Vinny, you know what we were talking about today? We were talking about our dogs. We're in love with our dogs. He said that he's going to be wiping his ass with money when he makes so much off this Dogecoin. I bet all of you's had that conversation. You're going to have so much money, you're going to be wiping your ass, right? Exactly, buy Doge. I told him, you're going to be wiping your ass with Dogecoins. I said, nah, I'm kidding. You're going to be wiping your ass with ETC coins because ETC is going through the roof. You're going to be wiping your ass with ETC coins. See, it's flipping bearish, and then it's going to go back. I said, you know what? Your dog is going to be wiping your dog's ass with Dogecoins. We were just laughing our asses off, me and Vinny, my cousin Vinny, right? Go figure. I expect some FOMOing in soon. What we haven't seen lately, we haven't seen any new funneling in on the billions, right? Grayscale, where you at, Gray? Hit us up. Grayscale did something today. They did something to ETC because when I was looking at it, I watched my money go up $2,000 in a half a second. I went, is this broken? I don't know if anybody did that. Did anybody look at the ETC today? I know we have a lot of people talking. Did anyone look at it and say and ask if this was broken? So Dogecoin now, listen, buy the news, right? No, we keep saying that. So it's buy the rumor, sell the news. So when he comes out on Saturday Night Live, I'm selling. I don't know if you understand that. If he says buy Dogecoin and it goes through the roof, I'm selling a partial amount by the 8th. By the 8th, I will be selling. So that's where I was getting at. So here we go. I'm going to show you what we're talking about here. Everybody's so interested in, everything's so interested into everything else and don't realize that there's important information I may have for you as we're going to fall a little here. It looks like we're flipping a band. Yes, we definitely do look like we're going to flip the band. See what happens when the band hits the top here. Pay attention to this. This is really important. This is called the EMA, Exponential Moving Average. And hit that like and subscribe, please, if you have not. We start flipping the band. It goes yellow and we fall. So what I think is going to happen here on the Doge is some people are selling and the band seems to be trying to flip. I don't think it's going to flip. I think it's going to be the whales playing games with us, and it's going to have a little bit of a flip and do that, as I told you. So listen, no. Oh, my God. Hear them? If you have profits, sell. Look what's happening. Look what's happening. It's a repeat of history. I got to show everyone what's happening. All right. Now, see that? That was April 18th. That was 3 weeks ago, if not even then. Pay attention. Okay? Now watch this. You want to see some crazy shit? 78 cents. It's talking May 23rd. That's a long time. There's no way in hell that's happening, right? So we're not doing that length of time. There's no way. They FOMO'd in so much more than that. So you have to pay attention. I expect to get a less of a move here. I expect to take some of this hoop and split it in half. So half the time, because I'm telling you, they're FOMOing in, but you're going to get a history of that move. So you have to take it, right? What would we do? We took it here. See what I did here? We're coming in on that move, on that fall, on the ribbon. So I'm taking it in a little bit, but I'm keeping it similar. And then now we're talking something similar. We're talking a shorter time. Is what's going to happen is it's going to be a week. Wow, it's going to be a while. So this is what's going to happen, everyone. Saturday Night Live, he comes on. Here it is, May 8th, right? It actually is going to come down, but it's not going to do that. So look, we move it up to the arrows. There it is. I'm trying to understand with you. I'm doing technical analysis here with you all. It looks silly, but you'll see in a minute what I'm getting at. There's going to be a big fall right here. There's going to be some action where we come down here. That's why you have to get rid of the ribbon. So let's get rid of the ribbon. There we go. Now it looks better. So here it is. So see it? Now this is what I was showing. You grab it, and now see this fall? This fall here was where we started this lift. Look. Now it makes better sense. This fall here, if you look on the Dogecoin, we were here at this 54 cents. It was touching, it was smashing, it was actually resistance. We turned it purple. I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought there for a minute. That's why we were going a little haywire. So what's going to happen is you're going to get a little lower action. Notice how it always falls below the support, and then before you fall through the support, you get some type of big action. See right here? See right here, this action? Look. So this is what's going to happen when Elon goes on basically live. We're going to fall through. Did you see how he broke up throwing this support line? This was like a resistance at one point. It definitely is. What do we do? Resistance, we do orange. Why do we do this color code? We do this color code for a very big reason, because I use my direct movement index chart, and we talk about the diamonds. The diamonds are huge. These are huge right here. I don't need all of them. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about right here. I'm looking for closed diamonds, and then we get a huge, basically a Pac-Man like chew. I know you don't know what the hell I'm talking about. If you've seen my previous videos, you'd understand. What happens is they start connecting. See how it didn't connect, and there's a space right here? So it doesn't count, okay? We'll start looking. What will happen is this will start forming a diamond. Then the diamonds will start getting bigger. I know this sounds crazy. And then the diamonds will start getting bigger. They'll form. And then what happens is this opens up to a mouth. And then before you know it, the Bollinger Bands, everything spreads out. And this is my direct movement index chart. Nobody really talks or does this but me. And it makes a lot of money. Me and my buddy, we're seeing up the $30 price difference is on ETC. We weren't sure if the numbers were right or not. Yes, it was nuts. It was nuts. I can't believe I'm about to buy Doge. I said that at 9 cents on April 16th. Or April 9th, I think it was. Trust me, I have numbers stuck in my head. You don't even know dates, numbers. I decided to buy Dogecoin. I called it a poop coin for as long as I could exist. It was a poop coin. Imagine Wall Street buying. I would have bought the damn thing at $1 million if I could have. It seems like we're coming down a little bit. See, we're at 30. So we hit a new all-time high, 3,500. We're getting the ticker bounce. So here's Ethereum. So here's one for you right now. I want you to understand what's happening. I showed you some of my where I'm getting out of my positions. Some of those are really important. I'm going on to my stuff to look again. VThor. I have VThor. If anyone's interested in VThor, I'm getting out at this price. I wanted to keep going. I got out of it. Maybe we'll do this once a week for everybody. Does everyone like that? If I go once a week, every Friday or every specific Monday, we talk about what is Wall Street Peak going to do? Because I bought it down here. And of course I did. I bought the dip, right? I've taught myself for many years that I knew that we were touching up here. This was resistance. So I knew that this was going to be somewhat support. So I knew that we weren't going to fall too low. So what did I do? What did I do? I bought it down here. I got lucky. We fell through a little. I thought I got 16.9. There's no way. Like I said, you either got lucky. If you bought the low on the dip on the bottom candle, you either got lucky or you're lying. There's either two ways you did that. Those are the only two ways you can do it. You either got lucky or you're lying. I got lucky this time. I sold it like 16.9, 16.98, something ridiculous. I'm not even going into it. But anyways, it's supposed to be going through the roof here. We got to start paying attention to this. What are we talking about? Well, VThor, I'm going to get out at... I have to go through it. I forgot. I'm sorry. I have it. I'm selling... All right, I'm going to sell 60 shares. But I got $1 cost average out, so we should do 29.9. I'm going to do about 30 shares at almost 2 cents. 0.99 I did, okay. And then when it clicks on there, I try to get out a little higher. If not, I'm going to set myself up to sell at this. But what was the VThor? So the VThor price, I'll be selling at that. That's kind of, I don't know why I did it so dyslexic. I'm sorry. But that's what I did. We're going to look for that. We're going to look for that price, almost 2 cents. I don't even want to get to 2 cents because I know once we get there, we're going to have some whales, right? Isn't this crazy? It's crazy how it works. But I'm aiming high, if you notice. I'm aiming pretty high. Actually, I should probably be getting out the 1 cent, almost to, a tenth of a cent away from the 1,000, right? What was it? A cent, 1,000th. 1 millionth. Yeah, this is ridiculous numbers. I love numbers. It's been a long time since I've been in school with numbers, right? I'm sure many of you can concur. But this is fun, right? I am having a great time. We're making money. We're making sick dough in crypto. Don't forget to hit the like button. You have to see these charts. When I start doing my forwardly. The forwardly gives you a lot more. If you see this is one I was doing, we will see this price again. That's crazy when I said that. Remember I said that down? Oh, you have no clue the stuff we do. Look at this. Look at this price. We're at 16.8. I was doing this Fibonacci pullback when we were all the way up here. And I was telling people, don't get excited. I'm not kidding. This is VThor. Look, we're VThor. We were almost 3 cents on VThor. And I told people, I said, remember, we will see this price again. Everyone was excited that we were. Man, if you go back to my videos and you watch my old videos, you would believe. I impress myself, okay? And when you start impressing yourself, you may need to go seek help. Oh, boy. I said this, look back, April 15th. Where are we today? We're at May 5th. If you listen to me, you would be excited. Look, there we are. Here we are. And then there we are again. And now what did it turn into? It used to be resistance trying to punch up. Do you see the imaginary line? Look, this is VThor chain. This is exactly why I changed. I just wanted you to know it's why I changed my whole background. I used to have a different one. This is the VThor. Like, this is the whole VThor thing with the lightning and starting soon. I got excited. I told you. This got me excited. This is why I bought the VThor. I've been holding VThor. You got to understand, you got to hold these things. You got to keep this going. If you don't, you're going to get your ass kicked. You have to hold it. I've been buying in while it's going down. I knew this was going to happen. You have to keep buying the dip. If you don't set up your sell stops and your buys, you put a limit in if you want. Put a buy order in. Just put a regular buy order in at the price you think it's going to fall to that you've seen before, right? For instance, would somebody say Matic? Let's do Matic real quick. I know a lot of people like Matic, right? A lot of these are addict to Matic. I seen it at 84 cents, and it didn't impress me. See all these numbers we got here? I'm a mess. All right, now look. This is my 4 hourly. Let me get a sip real quick, please. My best friend used to say, Brian, he's like, we would have run out of water or something. Well, I would run out of water, right? Because you see how I drink it? Can I have a sip real quick? No. And then run away. Playing basketball. Oh, man. Live life, love life. If you're not laughing every day and enjoying life, you're doing something wrong. I figured that out. That's why I tell you in the morning, wake up, be happy. Here's Matic. This is plain and simple. Matic is not telling you any. Matic is not giving you any secrets. Matic is letting you know right now that when it hits this price on the crypto price, it's going to be a stubborn son of a bee. It's telling you this right now. So it's saying if we break through the 82 price, and I just, if you want to do this for yourself, you do this own stuff, but you got to pay attention. Break through, you're off. That's it. Because why? Well, I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to show you why. Matic's never had a history of being at this price before. You understand? Matic is. I really lost my Giants hat. Wow. It went that high in the air when I threw it. I'm a mess. I can't believe it went that high. So listen. Matic has never been here before. I don't have history on Matic. Matic decided to give me history. What is this, ladies and gentlemen? Well, let's look at some patterns. Trading patterns. How about flags? Right? This is just stuff you could do at home. Right? Look at this. This shows you flags. Let's look at a bullish flag. I gotta stop fooling around. All right. So look at a bullish flag. What do we see here? Well, this is what I wanted to get at. I'm tired of playing games. I'm sorry. I'm not playing games. I just want you to understand and learn. This is what it's all about. If you have not hit the like button, please hit the like button. You're going to learn so much. You're going to learn so much. You've already learned so. I've had people tell me they've learned so much in just 1 hour of my videos. They couldn't believe it. So today you've just already learned a cup and handle formation. That's huge. If you know what those look like, you can make some sick dough in crypto. We don't need to see what that is. Here we go. Basic attention tokens. One of them that was doing the cup and handle. Here is a bullish flag. What is this? This is what I'm talking about. You see this? You see this, right? Okay. Well, that's Matic. Do you see that or no? Let's do it again. Let's do it like 12 times until your brain remembers. What's that? What's that? Do you see that? What's that? Let's do it again. Ready? What's that? Do you see that? We're in school right now. Class is in session. I'm doing this. I know it's annoying. But guess what? If you don't fucking start paying attention, that you can sell out up here eventually. Now look, it's showing a big correction, fall again. I mean, buy the dips, skips. We're the captains on the ships. We're all captains. All right. Iceberg dead ahead, right? You see this? Emotions, you get scared. We're all captains. Stop being a follower ready to jump ship. That's the problem. One person wants to jump ship, everybody wants to jump ship. Well, guess what? You're all moving the market. You're all doing knucklehead moves. Stop doing knucklehead moves. Stop trading with emotion, right? Fourth, what is Fourth doing? It's probably doing a Tigger bounce. That's crazy, right? We didn't get this. I was just fooling around and hoping it would get up. Well, guess what? Money got FOMO'd out. You know why? You know why this didn't happen when I usually do my little flickery little cartoon stuff? Because that's what it is. It was just a quick cartoon. There was no technical analysis. What happened was we formed the M on Fourth ample governance, and it's just going to either look for a Tigger bounce like it did here. See how it fell like that, and then the Tigger bounced, and then fell, and then Tigger bounce. It's crazy how it works, but it's a downward trend. You have to pay attention. This is nothing but a downward trend since it's been out. That's what I want you to see. You always have to do technical analysis. Your stomach, your feeling is never going to change anything. Stop it. So look, it's a bullish flag. Matic. We just talked about it. Matic. It's bullish. All right. We're buying Doge now. You could always buy Doge, I feel like, at this point. Honestly, I'm losing my mind. I never thought I would tell somebody that, a stranger. Now, you'll be all pissed off if I'm wrong, right? I'm just saying buy, just buy. We are 11 billion over the market cap still. The volume is over the market cap by 11 billion. What is Doge? Let's just see. It doesn't mean shit, right? I told you that. It does mean a lot in the long term. Short term, it doesn't mean anything right now unless we keep going up. We're stuck at 42.3. That's about half, right? It's about half. A little over. We're chilling. It's not bad. We have not lost any volume, so therefore we're not losing any price. That's what you need to pay attention to. Yeah, it's half of it. So why, right? Let's ask the question. This is a crazy question. China loves Matic. Yeah, so do I. I do too, but I can't deal with it sometimes. But this is a bullish flag. It's crazy because it's a downward spike, but what's happening is there's high volatile waves. Do you see it? There is actually a bunch of whales out there buying these dips. They may not be getting the bottom. They're not getting 68.9 like I told you. If they're hitting 68.9 on the low, they're lying or they're lucky. That's how that works. We have 13 minutes, 12 minutes, and 15 seconds. What do you want to talk about? Hurry up. Hurry up. Seriously, we don't do this often. You got 13 minutes, 12 minutes now, 12 minutes to talk about what you all want to hear. And I'm going to break it down if it's on TradingView. If it's not on TradingView, you're beat. I'm sorry. There's nothing I could do. Let's go. Hurry up. Wall Street Pete tells you what he wants you to buy as we're breaking down and we're falling in the reds. We're probably getting that Tigger bounce. Look, we're probably getting that Tigger bounce. I'm not worrying. Oh, wow. I see this big W forming now. You guys all might as well go to sleep. Yeah, we have plenty of time. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow night? Oh, yeah. Tomorrow. We're going to have a good day tomorrow. So we were off a couple days, it looks like. 10 a.m. tomorrow. When you wake up, 9 a.m. tomorrow Eastern time, get ready to talk to me. I'll be coming back on in 12 hours. In 12 hours from now, it's going to be some hell of a ride. How about that? Dogecoin. You ready for this shit? I'm already predicting something right now. This is the Dogecoin price mana. Awesome. Oh, wow. Look at everyone typing. Because everyone just, it's the delayed, so I didn't know. Here we go. 12. I hear you. I see Tron, Mana, BAT, Basic Attention Tokens killing it. What about Verge? I'm not going to get to do all of them, but I'm going to do a couple, I promise. So here's 12. I was just going to tell you right now something, but you all got me screwed up on that, on the Dogecoin. I was going to say in 12 hours, real quick, let me do it because we're on a delay. I hate that. In 12 hours, you're going to be like, whoa. Okay, remember I said that. We're putting this on here for a reason. I love that this does this. It's like a timestamp. Whoa. You ever see Joey? Whoa. It's going to be one of those moments. I'm getting hot as hell in here. All right, so we're going to go with the first one. The first person to say something was the one who got it. What about Verge? Here we go. Aren't you the lucky person? Verge Token is a new generation crypto token for anyone who hasn't known, and it's a crypto I can't talk. Oh my God, it's a cryptocurrency platform. With this platform, it is possible to carry out transactions in a 100% confidential manner and anonymously. Verge Token is a platform created through the blockchain software. Therefore, it has all the privacy and security features blockchain provides. Very nice. Verge Token. You can buy and sell charts. Here it is. That's where it is. We will now go, now that we just did a quick breakdown, right? You always have to do your research. Notice I do that as first. That's the first thing I do. I mean, we've done it before. I'm confident we went over this before. I know I have. So, does that sound right? Because now I can go into here. All right. So, like I said, we got 10 minutes, 9 minutes. I'm trying to hurry up, but we can't be making mistakes either, right? We got to make sure we get the right information in. The Verge token is 6 cents. Okay. We're getting some high volatile waves from what I see right now on a 24-hour chart immediately. What is going on? We have 230. That's really good. 230 million coming in to a 1 billion market cap. That's pretty good, honestly. 16.5 billion circulating supply. That's pretty bad. That's a lot. But right now, that doesn't mean too much. Once it becomes popular and the price card starts going, then it's from here. It is what it is. What has it done? Well, you can look here, February. Where did it come out? I guess its life form was December, maybe it launched, 2015. Okay. If you looked at the 2017 era, where this was the crazy point in life, I'm going to buy some. That's all I can tell you. Thanks. This went to, wow. Wait a minute. Hold up. Hey. This is going to wake up. This is a sleeping giant. Thank you very much for this. Anyone who wants to talk about this is why we do this stuff. Guess what I'm doing? Taking my handy dandy phone, and because of you, we help each other out, right? This is what I'm talking about. This is what we're supposed to do. This is a good coin. I'm just letting you know. When I do stuff like that, that means it's more research, it's more work. It means, would you swing 1K into Doge for the NSL? No, I would do it before the hype. Do you know what the title of this is? The title of this is buy the rumor, sell the news. Do you not know what that means? It's actually a trading, it's definitely a trading talk, a phrase. The news is he's coming, so everyone's buying Dogecoin. Everyone's funneling in. Everyone's going crazy over it. If you're not buying the dip, then you're not going to have a sip. Buy the dip and have a sip later. That's what it's going to be. You don't buy the dip and you sell out on emotion, then you look like a reject. And that's what happens to all of us. We don't do technical analysis. I've never made money on technical analysis with my emotion. I'm going to go do it real quick. We're talking out of the realm here. We didn't want to do that. Okay, here it is. It is XVG. XVG is now doing a W goodbye. No, kidding. It's doing a rejection M. We had an M here, and what is it doing? It's rejecting currently. It doesn't mean it's not getting one, but I've seen a rejection before, and it looks like one. It's going to form a bullish flag. So pay attention. You're going to have a couple days. This is only an hourly. So if you go to the 4-weekly, you'll break it down a little differently. Then I'll see more time. That's definitely not what's going to happen now that I look at the 4-weekly. That's facts. I'm looking at the 4-weekly. I'm going to tell you how to break it down. This could happen. Depending on no, we're getting a coil action. You're going to get this coil action, and then you're going to get some type of rip through, but it won't be a downward W. It'll be an upward W. The volume will funnel in, and you'll be actually really happy, and you'll see a new high. You'll funnel into the new high, but the problem is the new high is all the way a lot further than we thought. It's all the way the hell back here, wasn't it? Or this is just when TradingView had it. Okay. So this is when we got to go all the way down to 2017. We're not doing that. But this is how you do it. That's how you go over it really quick. All right, next one. Who's the next one? AMC thoughts? Yeah, it's going to be eliminated this year. AMC will be down to 0 probably by the summertime. That's my AMC thoughts for Dawn. Dawn. It's going to crash down to like 94%. It'll be 94% until it goes to 0, and then it'll be no longer a stock. PayPal, Amazon, all of them, they'll go down, probably cut right in half because of all this, and all the stocks will be down, and then finally everything will merge and relax, and everything will come back as a whole. But AMC, all those places, those small little bullcrap places, their stocks will no longer be. So if that's what you were wondering, we don't go over stocks for that reason because I'm not going to lose money. Basic Attention Token is next. Basic Attention Token is one of my favorite. It's an basically an advertisement. It advertises. It's an Ethereum token. There's so much about it. There's so much to talk about the basic attention token. You wouldn't believe it. Basic attention token. Basically what I just said, right? No pun intended. Basic attention token is an Ethereum token that powers the Brave software blockchain. Basically, it's a digital advertising platform. So it advertises for the platform, such as like Mana Decentraland. If you have a Mana Decentraland, and if you know what that is, then you understand exactly what I'm talking about. It's a platform. They have engine. They have Flow. Mana Decentraland is a digital platform. What is that looking like, by the way? It has a digital platform. Basically, it's a virtual reality platform for these services. It's NBA Top Shop. I have it. NBA Top Shop is this. If anyone's interested, it's an NFT. There's a moment you can buy right now. This moment is sold out. When the hell was I able to buy a $99 moment? I really don't know because I'm pretty pissed off. I wanted to buy that. I wanted to buy this $99 moment. That's BS. I bought the $9 one. I bought the $14 one yesterday. I'm wondering when I can get my pack and open it. Packs, it'll probably tell you, and then it gives you the information, right? Oh, here we go. Here you go. So let's see, recommended pack, featured pack. I'm getting this on May 14th. I get to open it, so that we'll watch that on May 14th. That's the worst day of my life. Let's see, what else do we have here? Reservations to buy this one. I think this is the one I just bought. I thought I bought a $14 pack. Well, this is only one card coming out of here. But these are the NFTs. I've turned this already into a multi-$100 business. I'm not kidding. I started with $9. My friend gave me cards. You need to buy a certain amount of cards. You buy a certain amount of events. What are these events? If you've never seen this, is your first time, you can go to my collection. You can go to my showcase. What's my showcase? We just do it really, really fast, and then we'll go right to the charts. I know people love the charts. This is the Derrick Rose one. This is mine. This is my showcase. I show off my digital asset, my digital card. It's a nice card, Derrick Rose. New York. Let's go, baby. I love D Rose, honestly. But this was a moment. What could you do? Well, you can find out where it was minted, what it was worth, right? At the bottom, I have 9,000. There's 12,000 of them. Then there's another one. I have 9,000. There's 35,000 of those. Devin Booker. It was a three-point shot I got out of a pack. It tells you what he did. They won the game. He was on fire that game. Look how nasty he is with it in his face. Right in his face. Like, for real. That was nasty. That's what my buddy Brian does in his sleep. And then I'm going to come over and smack it hard as hell. Bam! Get that stuff out of there. Devin Booker's nasty. I'm going to sell that one day. I'm not selling it. See, you can requirements for a gift. See, requirements to gift. Oh, so look at this. This is what they're adding as they're getting bigger. You need to own 20 moments in order to send one out. You need to own, I'm right here. You need to own the moment for 7 days. One more day I own it, so then I can sell it. I can get rid of it. So I need 3 more moments, and I can actually start gifting stuff to you. Wow. Gifting is only accessible to collectors who fulfill the following requirements. They changed this. A friend of mine gave me stuff for free. I started it, and I am now off to the moon. Why? Because I told him to buy this. I told him to look. Devin Booker was the man that night. They won by 1. It's sick, and it's minted. I have a specific one. I have the 9,000th one. I have 35,000 plus. It's minted. When it was made, it was only the 9,000th one. I will sell it. Look. Place to sell. I can sell it right now. Now, look, this is huge. I got to learn how to use this. A lot of people don't know this, and we're going to go right into the charts. Price helper. I want to go to the price helper. What do? Well, I put it by the lowest descending number. The lowest descending number, well, look, the people who are selling this, the craziest bastard who is selling this right now is the 20th thousandth. That's the only oh, I lied. There's the $9,000 one for $150,000. Could you imagine? The lowest serial number. There you go. So look, I have the 9,000th one. And if you like this, hit the like, subscribe. I have the 9,000th one. You go into your realm and get an understanding of what everyone's prices is. If someone buys this for $1,380, it makes the price change, just like everything else in trading. This is an NFT. This is a non-fungible token. They made this price up. If someone actually buys this, if Devin Booker himself wants the number 3, notice how number 2 ain't for sale. Notice how number 1 isn't for sale. Notice how number 7's not for sale. They think it's so valuable, they're not selling it this year, or they're not ready to sell. I have the 9,000th one. You could do that too. So you go all the way down to the 9,000th one. Wall Street Pete, he wants to know. He wants to know, what the hell is the 9,000th one worth? That's what I'll do. I'm not a jerk off. I'm not going to try and make 10 million because my name's Wall Street Pete. I'm just doing this, and then we're going to go right out of it. I'm waiting for packs. They're coming. You open them. You get excited. Look, we're getting to the... All right, so I say I had this one. Well, that's about what I averaged. This guy's a dickhead. Look, he thinks you know what? In 10 years, 4 years from now, he might actually get that price. That's what I'm trying to explain. That's very important. That's the NBA Top Shop. That is affiliated with the Decentraland. Matic and all them are Ethereum tokens. Matic and I believe Cardano have matched in. The Graph token matched in. So let's go. We're going to do one more. We're going to go a little over because I talked about that a little too long. Verge looks really good. No problem. This is what I'm here for. Engine. I love Engine. So Marcos, we're going to talk about Engine. Tron. I don't have Tron up right now. I can't get Tron. I'm sorry, MC. I apologize, but I'll do Tron for you another day. I promise. Tron is 14 cents. Would you swing 1K? Yeah, I told you that. Okay. And then the last one we're going to get off is Engine, and I'm getting off. Engine is awesome. We're going to Engine right now. I love Engine. If you notice, do you notice that Engine used to be up here on all my videos? It was all the way up here, and I fell for the love. It fell down. My poor little bad boy. Okay, so listen. Engine. If you know Engine, I love me some Engine. It's one of my favorite tokens. I did a huge stink over it. I can't believe I don't stop right-clicking. Right-clicking and pull, you won't have to do that. I don't know how many times. We have a mess here. That's how much I love Engine. Engine was doing nothing but falling. This is a 4-hourly chart. What do? I just get rid of it all. I don't give a damn what I was looking at before. I told you a lot of people would just shit their pants because when they go over this, they're like, oh, my God, look, this is an inverted head and shoulders pattern. Well, this is a head and shoulders pattern, period, okay? And then you'll start learning about the rest. That's a shoulder, that's a head. This is actually good. This is actually good. This is actually bullish. If you see this circle, so I can't break it down the way I am getting tired, but if you see the way this is breaking down, this is actually looking really nice. Where is it going to stop at? Engine was 244 forever, so the fact that we're above 244, I'm happy. I expect right here. We're going to hit right here. This is where you're going to have hell. $2.95. You just made me want to buy Engine again. I have a little bit, but you make me want to buy more because I see it so low. Wow. I bought Engine at $1.12, everyone. I bought Engine at $1.12. You don't believe me? Okay. I was watching it in March even, and I know I got some more in March. March 3rd. There it is. I was going to say March 3rd. Where's March 3rd? Well, I remember the date because it was my father's B-Day, and I bought some on March 3rd at $1.12. I know I did. So it's crazy how it works, but you'll remember crazy shit like that. I bought that at $1.09. $1.12, I said, but I put the 9 up. I should have put the 12. Imagine the emotions. Imagine the emotions, dollar costing in and averaging in and out of this coin. I've seen some shit. Where were we at? Well, I do respect that we're at $4. Where do I think Engine's going to go? Engine is definitely going to go to $5. Engine is definitely going to $5. I've been telling people this before. It went to $4. So if you ever look at my video, I'll tell you that we were expected to go to $5. We FOMO'd out hard. A lot of people started getting in. A lot of people started losing money. If you get rid of all this crap again and you start playing with your trend lines, we're going to get off after this Engine video, but I want everyone to have a good night. If you pay attention, these are freaking hard falls, man. This is a disgusting fall. This will make you quit crypto. I know people who've quitted crypto over falls like this. Like I said, this could be a bullish flag. You have to pay attention. You go all the way here to the body, and now you look to see where you're breaking out. This is so simple. You could do this at home. Get TradingView, start playing around with it, start learning. And then when I come on, maybe I'll show you a trick or two, right? We'll talk about what this could mean. Get color coordinated if you want. Make yourself feel good, right? We're going down at red. It sucks, right? Traffic lights suck. They're red. I know they suck because I hate traffic lights. I have names for my traffic lights. But then you go green, right? We're going up. It's green. Everything's gravy green when we're going up, right? Everybody loves that shit when you're going up. I can concur with that. What's happening though? Look at the trend lines. This is really important. I know a couple people got off, as I said, I was getting off, but I want you to understand that this is really important. This can be specifically. Wow. If you ask me, this looks like a very bullish ascending triangle. I'm looking at it. I'm trying to understand it better. I'm trying to zoom in, zoom out. What do I see here? Whew. Get rid of that. All right, get rid of this. See, this is what you do. Then you start dissecting it. You start doing some work here. What is this? This seems to be an ascending triangle. Holy shit, we're in classes in session. We're learning all of them. We're learning all of the patterns today by Wall Street Pete. I hope you watch this video from beginning to end. You're going to have a great day. You're going to learn so much shit. You're going to be a friggin' genius. Look at this. We are forming an ascending triangle. Did I not just see that? Look. Did you not see what I'm showing you? Look, this is incredible. From here, we're starting up, and then it's starting to do it, and it just breaks out. Wow. So I have to buy Engine and then sell out at like 385, 390. Oh, Lord. This is why we do this stuff. Even it's going to hit resistance here, but you hold it longer. So, no, I lied. Here it is. We're going to hit resistance 290. Yep. I'm selling out at 290. Definitely. I'm selling some out at 290. That's what I'm doing. I see it here. I'm going to fall down a little bit. What does 292 look like? Yes, that's good. I'm going to definitely sell 291, 292, somewhere in that range if that makes you feel good. Wall Street Pete, Sicto Crypto. Hit that like, subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful night, everyone. I hope I helped everyone get a better understanding of what may be coming. Pay attention to the classic Ethereum is going to fool a lot of people. It's going to make you think nothing good's happening. XLM is starting to hit resistance, it looks like. I'm definitely seeing that. It's starting to calm down. But, hey, it's funny as hell. Wow. We broke that down perfect. So just, pay attention to what's going on here. Pay attention to these moves. Like I said, it was going to stop and hit resistance. It looked like it was going to hit the old resistance as last time. What's the resistance? I told you. I want to break down the diamonds really quick. If you notice the diamonds, this was what I was talking about, the DMI, because this is a perfect one to look at. I could tell already I had my diamonds set up. Just really quick before we go. See the Pac-Man where it opens and it's ready to eat? Right there, here it is. Oh, wow, it's doing it now. Oh, my God. I've watched up my diamonds, and that's what I was telling you. I matched them up, and they're not getting two good diamonds here. So this might not last long. Here it is, 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 here it is. All right, I got it. I was talking about this. This is my diamond. Okay, it connected diamond. Remember I was talking about this in the beginning, and then look, it started breaking up. You see it? See how it started breaking up, but the diamonds were getting bigger? That's when the price started going up. You see that? Look. It's crazy. It's high volatility, and we could learn the average deviation too if you wanted to learn it. But all right, I'm getting out. Sicto Crypto, Wall Street Pete. Have a wonderful night. If anything crazy happens in the middle of the night, I might come back on, but put your sell stops on, put your buys on the dips, and you will be not trading with emotion. Your computer, your phone will be doing the trading for you, and then you don't have to go through this emotion. Peace in, peace out. Wall Street Pete.